Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Breville Barista Touch Impress espresso machine, a game changer for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality drinks at home. If you're dreaming of perfect espressos or lattes without leaving your kitchen, stick around and don't forget to check the link in the description to grab this machine at the best price. Let's break down the features. The Breville Barista Touch Impress, model BES881BSS, is an all-in-one espresso machine with a built-in conical burr grinder, so you go from beans to espresso in under a minute. It has a 12-ounce bean hopper and a 67-ounce water tank, plenty for daily use. The ThermoJet heating system gets you brewing in just 3 seconds, and the 9-bar extraction pressure delivers rich, balanced shots. The Impress Puck system is a standout, offering intelligent dosing and assisted tamping with a 7-degree barista twist for a perfect puck every time. The touchscreen is intuitive, guiding you step by step with 8 cafe presets like espresso and latte, or you can customize and save up to 8 drinks. The Auto MilQ feature adjusts for dairy, almond, oat, or soy milk, and the Auto Steam Wand creates silky microfoam for latte art with adjustable temperature and texture settings. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The touchscreen makes it beginner-friendly, and the assisted tamping simplifies the process, so even newbies can pull great shots. The fast heat-up and alternative milk settings are perfect for quick, tailored drinks. The stainless steel build is durable and sleek, and the included accessories, like a stainless steel jug and cleaning kit, add value. On the downside, it's a premium machine, so the price is high, around $1,500. Some users report occasional errors with the auto frother, and at 16 inches tall, it might not fit under low cabinets. The grinder, while solid, has only 30 settings, which advanced baristas might find limiting. Here's my recommendation. If you love coffee and want a user-friendly machine that delivers pro-level espresso and lattes, the Breville Barista Touch Impress is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for beginners and casual baristas who want convenience without sacrificing quality. The automation and guidance make it a breeze to use, and the cons, like the price and occasional frother issues, are outweighed by the consistent, delicious results. If you're ready to elevate your coffee game, this is worth the investment. Want more reviews like this? Hit that subscribe button and don't miss out. Click the affiliate link in the description to get the Breville Barista Touch Impress at the best price. You'll find special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub, so grab it now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. See you in the next one.